What's up guys, it's Daniel here, and today I'll show you how to do this effect in sorry, I didn't say without further philandering.
Okay Google, what does philandering mean? Of a man readily or frequently enter into casual sexual relationships with women. Jesus. Wow. So without further philandering, let's get right into the video. Okay, you want to open up PicsArt because that is what we'll be using. Now you want to open up the picture you want to use. I'll be using the picture of the king himself. So the first thing we want to do here is crop this picture. Something like this. And now once that is done, go to cutout, choose outline. You can reduce or increase the size if you want. So you just want to draw this around the edge. Now you want to close this and you want to open the background you want to use. Now again, I want to crop this out to something like this. Okay, that's good. Now I want to go to FX, select artistic, and what we want to do is choose oil painting. This one here, tap on it again. Now you want to reduce the amount, so something like this, and you want to erase this part. And you want to click OK. So that is done. Now you want to go to add photo. And now I want to select this one.
And now you want to resize this, and while doing that, please make sure you take care of Wizkid. He's a king, you don't want anything to happen to him. So something like this. And yes, we are done. This is how to do the wall effects using PicsArt. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel because this thing takes a lot of time to compile. And I'll see you on the next one.
I'm joking. Stop the break.
Let's get serious.
Now go to cutout. Choose outline again. Now what we want to do is we want to reduce the size and we want to as you can see, the hair is missing, so feel free to listen to some music while I get to work. So we want to go ahead and save this. Now you want to resize this. I want to make it big. So this size is okay for me, but what I want to do is go to erase and go to shape here. Now you want to zoom this in. I want to put this here, so something like this, and as you can see it is looking good. Now you want to select the image and look for FX. Now once you are in artistic, so we want to look for poster here and you want to tap on it again. Now increase this fade so it doesn't look too postery if I can say that. Now choose 65, 70, 70, 72. Okay, so click on it and save it like that. Now you want to click on it again and go back to FX. Now still on artistic, choose oil painting this time around. I want to reduce it as well, increase the fade. The amount should be around 16 fade, I don't know, so something like this. Press OK again. Okay, click on this plus button here and you want to add a new photo, which should be this one we saved earlier. Go to add and you want to just increase something like this. Something like this is okay for me. For you, it might not, so just make sure you resize this. You want to press OK, and now we want to go to draw to create the shadow. Now we want to create a new empty layer. Delete this one, something like this. Now select your brush tool. Now I'm using a soft brush, size is about 66 and opacity of 100. Now you want to zoom in the picture and just move it around. So once that is done, you want to select the picture again. Now I'll be reducing the opacity. Okay, you want to bring it down to about 16 here is okay. Now you can go on and save the picture like this, but you can also decide to throw in some color if you're like me. So I'll go to effects here, go to FX. Now choose Dodger here. Dodger.
And that will bring us to the end of the video. That is how you can use your own picture as your background using PicsArt. So let me know if you enjoyed the video. Talk to me in the comments box, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Until next time I come your way, take care of yourself. For me, I love you all, guys.